Hello students, welcome to SK Biology. Today we are going to learn two concepts. One is pleiotropy. Pleiotropy is about one gene showing multiple effects. And other concept is polygenic trait. It is a phenomenon where many genes control single trait. Let us begin with pleiotropy. Pleiotropy is a genetic phenomenon in which single gene influences multiple traits. These traits are seemingly unrelated traits in an organism. Result of pleiotropic behavior of gene is, instead of controlling just one characteristics, a pleiotropic gene affect different physical, biochemical or physiological features of organism. Let us understand pleiotropy phenomenon with well-studied example of a genetic disease called as sickle cell anemia. Red blood cells of normal humans are healthy. In RBCs, hemoglobin is present. This hemoglobin protein is synthesized from hemoglobin gene, denoted as HB. In hemoglobin, one important amino acid group is present, which is proline glutamate. In case of sickle cell anemia condition, RBCs changes shape to sickle form. This change is due to defect in hemoglobin gene, where normal hemoglobin is converted to sickle cell hemoglobin, that is, HB is converted to HBS. Defect is due to mutation of hemoglobin gene. In sickle cell condition, produced hemoglobin protein is defective. This defect is because of change of second glutamate amino acid to valine amino acid. This change in hemoglobin gene lead to pleiotropic effect such as anemia. This condition is because of mixture of healthy and sickle RBCs, which reduces count of healthy RBCs. Another pleiotropic effect is organ damage or failure, in which brain damage, heart damage, and kidney failure is included. All these organs require constant supply of oxygen and nutrients, which is provided from blood and healthy RBCs. Now, low count of healthy RBCs due to HB gene defect cannot fulfill these requirements, leading to damage of organs. So, here single HB gene controls several traits due to conversion of HB to HBS, showing pleiotropic phenomenon. The second concept we are going to discuss in this video is polygenic trait. In this phenomenon, multiple genes control single trait. Polygenic inheritance refers to the type of inheritance in which single trait is controlled by two or more genes, each gene contributing a small additive effect to the final phenotype. Examples of polygenic inheritance are human height, skin color, body weight, intelligence, grain color, etc. All these traits are controlled by many genes. Let us discuss an example of human height. Suppose human height is controlled by three genes, A, B, and C gene. Here, three possibilities can be easily observable. So, maximum height is possible when all three genes are present in dominant form. The intermediate height will be result of equal mixture of dominant and recessive form of gene. And minimum height will be possible when all three genes are in recessive form. Here, three genes are contributing for single trait showing polygenic effect. Pleiotropy and polygenic trait are different genetic phenomena. Look at this table to understand key difference between these two concepts.